The error code E202-0000 appears on a Canon IR3245 printer when the optical home position center, or state route 2, fails to activate after a certain period of time. This issue can be caused by a number of factors, including a defective main controller, a faulty sensor connector, or problems with the scanner motor. To resolve the error, several solutions can be attempted. Replacing the main controller is one option. This involves unplugging the printer, removing the back cover, and detaching the old controller by unscrewing it and disconnecting it from its connector. Then installing a new one and screwing it into place. Another potential solution is to check the connector for any visible defects, such as damage or fraying, and replace it if necessary. This can be done by opening the printer cover and locating the flexible cable. If the issue lies with the scanner motor, it may need to be replaced, which involves disconnecting the printer from its power source, removing the top cover, and detaching various components to access the old motor, before unscrewing and replacing it with a new one, and reassembling the machine.